Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for each time frame. So when we look at the economical events plan for Monday is going to be February 6th. We have New Zealand bank holiday and we don't have any high impact news for any of the major currency pairs. So we can expect current trend to continue or a consolidation on Monday in most of the major currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. So we know from the past price action that after taking support around the support level of 1616, we have noticed a gold to trend on the bullish trend. And after testing the resistance level of 1961, which was the past price action resistance level also, we have noticed a price action to form a very strong bearish candle. So for now, this area is a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in weekly time frame. So let us find out whether the bearish trend reversal has started or it is only a retracement on the bearish side. For this, let us use the Fibonacci tool. I'm using a Fibonacci extension tool just to find out whether the current bullish trend is going to continue or not. So looking at the current level where the price action has taken support, it is around 1860, which is around 0.618% in the Fibonacci extension tool. And these levels like 0.618, 0.5 are considered as a strong support levels in the Fibonacci tools. So currently we are noticing the price action to take support at this level, which means that there are chances for the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. But if the price action breaks this support level of 1860, next target is going to be around 0.5% level, which is around 1814. And when we look at the past price action also, it is testing the support zone or the demand zone from the past price action. And if the price action bounces back from this support level on the bullish side, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1926, which is again going to be the previous price action resistance zone. And 0.78% in the Fibonacci extension tool, which is also considered as a strong resistance level. But when we look at the current bullish trend only as a retracement of the previous bearish trend, then from here we can expect the price action to again continue its bearish trend. For this we'll use a different Fibonacci tool. So now I have added the Fibonacci retracement tool, considering this movement as a retracement of the past price action. Now we can notice that as per the bullish trend, currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 0.618% of the Fibonacci extension tool and 50% support level, which is around 1844 according to the Fibonacci retracement tool. So this whole area between 1860 to 1844 will be acting as a support zone for the current price action. So I have marked the support zone in red color and the resistance zone in the green color. So when we look at the past price action also, this level had acted as a demand and supply zone. So the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation will come only when the price action breaks this support zone between 1860 to 1844, which means that we have the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend. And if it is going to continue its bullish trend, it has to break the resistance zone between 1897 to 1926. And this is analysis for the weekly time frame. In the lower time frame, you can draw trend lines to understand the trend of the current price action. Once the price action breaks the trend lines, you can enter into the direction in which it gives the breakout. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in weekly time frame. So in the lower time frame, we'll look at the price action within this red candle over here. I'm in daily time frame now. In daily time frame, we can notice that it was in a very strong bullish trend, and after testing the resistance level of 1960, we have noticed a price action to make a double top pattern, and it has started its bearish side retracement. And we know from the weekly time frame that this whole area between 1860 to 1844 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone according to the Fibonacci's levels. So once this zone is broken, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame also. And there is no sign of start of the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also we have noticed a price action to be trending on the bearish side after testing the resistance level of 1960, and now it has taken support on the support level of 1860. Now I have used the Fibonacci's retracement tool. So here we have the 50% resistance level around the level of 1910. So if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement also, we can expect it to find resistance at this level. Once the price action breaks its resistance level, it will be the start of the bullish side trend in 4 hours time frame, which will give the confirmation that current bearish trend was only a retracement to gather enough volatility to bounce back on the bullish side trend. And if the price action breaks this support zone between 1860 to 1844, we will have the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend, which is the continuation of the bearish side trend reversal from the higher time frame. This whole zone is going to be a resistance zone for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. And currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 1860. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1844 and 1831. And it will be the continuation of the current bearish trend once this support zone is broken. On the other hand, if the price action takes support on the support level of 1860 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1880, 1896, 1910, 1920 and 1926. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, we are noticing a little bit of consolidation to start, but we are not noticing a bounce back on the bullish side retracement. If you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, I would recommend you to draw a trend line or a resistance line connecting the highs of the past price action and wait for the price action to test this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame also. Currently the price action is consolidating within the resistance level of 1872 and support level of 1861. Once the support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1842, 1815. And if the price action takes support on the support level of 1861 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1872, 1883, 1891, 1897, 1903, 1910 and 1921. And for now the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Whenever it finds a strong support or resistance zone, we have noticed a price action to be trending on a sideways and continue its bearish trend. And currently also we are noticing it to take support on a strong support level from the higher time frame. Wait for the price action to test this trend line in order to freshly enter on the trade. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support around the support level of 1861 and it is on a sideways price action. If the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Please refer the higher time frame support levels for reference. And if the price action takes support around the support level of 1861 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance for 30 minutes time frame is going to be around 1875, 1883, 1890, 1897, 1907 and 1919. And the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also in a bearish trend for now, as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 1861, and if the bullish side retracement starts, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1874, 1883, 1890, 1897, 1907 and 1919. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1861, it will be the continuation of the previous bearish trend in 15 minutes time frame also. So the takeaway from today's analysis is we already have the resistance zone and the support zone from the higher time frames. Wait for the price action to breach this support zone if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to breach this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side. And if you are a risk taker, wait for the price action to retrace, test this resistance line from the hourly time frame, based on which you can freshly enter on the bearish side, because the current trend of the price action is in a bearish side, but you have to put a very tight stop losses. So looking at the current situation, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance line on the support zone. Wait for the price action to give a proper breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in 15 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.